Ayan mga ka-GF, mag-greeting po kami ni Ate Privy ko. Ate Privy, kaway ka naman sa mga viewers natin. Alright, yun! Assalamualaikum po mga. So ayun guys, habang nag-green tea kami ni Chef Priwi, may umorder sa amin through Talabat. Bali, umorder si sir ng 1 daing silog, 1 tinapa silog, 1 chick silog. Ang request niya sa egg is, yung tatlong yun is medium rare or yung malasado, and 1 siomai silog, scramble ang egg ang request niya. So sabi ni sir, napanood daw niya yung video natin nung in-upload natin nung nakaraan, kaya napa-order siya. So ayun, nag-start na nga kami prepare dyan yung mga order ni sir. Bali, once you order your food, that's the time only we cook and prepare your food. So you can guarantee your food have good quality and safety food for your happiness and satisfaction. Good food, good mood. Everyday fresh, quality goods. So guys, kung umabot kayo sa video to, please don't forget to like, share, follow the GF Eats Street page in Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok for more updates. So once again guys, thank you so much all for your support. Keep on grinding. Have a great and blessed day to everyone. Assalamualaikum. Peace out.